Hi guys, I'm going to make a super quick recipe video. Now, I've already cooked this for my family yesterday or day before, and they absolutely loved it. I do not eat shrimp, but this is like my version of shrimp scampi, and the kids love it. Hadar loves it. He said it was really good, and it only has literally 3 ingredients, and it's very inexpensive. So if you already have this in your freezer, the shrimp, go for it. Okay, here's the 3 ingredients. I have just some egg noodles. I got these, discount grocery store, Save-A-Lot or Aldi's, I forget which one. And this was less than $1, so I used half a bag of the 1-pound egg noodles. I have a bag from Walmart, cooked shrimp, peeled, deveined, tail off, extra small. These were on sale, 2 for something. I forget how much. And I have half a jar of the 4-cheese Alfredo sauce that you can get. I think it's $1.50 at Aldi or Aldi. I don't know how you say that. So just half a jar of this, a whole package of this. That's the star. And half a package of this. And that's all that you need. Right now I'm boiling the water for the noodles. So we're gonna wait for this to get done boiling, pour it in, cook it for however long it takes for them to get soft. We're gonna pour this right in, directly in, and just cook it until it's very, 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 very little pink on it because it's already cooked. And then we're going to drain it or strain it and put half a jar of this in. And we're done. It's the quickest, easiest lunch I've ever made, and they loved it. Okay, so my water is boiled. I'm going to make sure that it covers the pasta completely and then have a little bit extra so that I can put the shrimp in so it can thaw out basically. I'm just gonna get it to where it's just very pink and not frozen, just hot. And now I'm going to make a very basic salad for myself because I don't eat pasta because I am on a diet. We went to vacation and I ate quite a bit on that vacation. Okay, so I'm just going to take and cut off the pieces that look bad and cut the stalk off, where it grows. So I am just trying to stick with salads, and this will probably be 2 meals for me. So what I do is I just keep it next to me and just eat on it the whole time, like all day. So I am never hungry. And this is just basic salad. I mean, we don't have that many add-ons for salad at the moment. So it's basically lettuce, tomato. I'm gonna put cheese on it, the shredded cheese. I think I have mozzarella at the moment. And I'm going to use this blue cheese. It adds a lot of flavor. Blue cheese with gorgonzola skins. I am not a huge fan of blue cheese, but I actually do like it on this type of salad. So I'm just going to put 1 tomato on it because tomatoes are kind of high in carbs. This is basically all water though. Now I'm going to top it with cheese, and that is going to be a couple meals for me. So I have this. This feels nice and soft, but it's not completely done yet, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in. Let it thaw. And when this is rolling boil, I'll probably let it boil for another minute. Let it rolling boil and take it off and drain it, and then put the sauce in. And then our entire lunch is done, and it was nice and quick, and we can get on to doing other things. Yummy, can't wait to dig into that. Okay, I'm just gonna strain this out and put it right back into the pot. Okay. And there it is. And to make it look pretty, let me show you what I did. Special touch that Hadar really likes. Wrong side. Pretty! The kids absolutely love this. I don't eat shrimp, but looks good. They're gonna have it with a side of strawberries. Keep up our vitamin C. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope that you find some inspiration in this time that we are staying home and taking care of ourselves and staying healthy, and finding quick and easy meal ideas for lunch and dinner. So have a good day and take care.
Thank you for watching. Oh, thanks for the food. Thanks for the food, Mommy.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.